Huh?
We're going to put the camera on a tripod so you catch everything. Okay, so let's just tie your ropes up a little bit, and we're going to practice sending it forward. When I talk to you guys about what's going on, you can use the gate here, so that would have a little bit extra room. Oh, when you tie the halter rope, you're going to encourage the horse first to come with your rope organized. So it'll be over your elbow, not in a loop, like this. This can fit your arm. Just fold it over in half, and you can put it on your arm. And the other hand is organized like this, just next to your thumb and on your middle finger. And when I ask the horse to put the halter on, I'm going to put my arm over his neck, like this. He'll stick his head down and in, and I can go to the outside of the rope. Then I open it up so he can put his face in. Keep the rope over top. Then you stick it through the back side.
Nein.
Back behind the loop. Yep. And up through the hole. So the knot that you make is in between the upper button and the loop. And the tail goes away from the eye. So here we're going to have it through the back side, look at that well. And it comes around the back of the loop and up through. Okay, so your direction hand, that now the horse would be going to the left. There's only one left side and one right side, and it's of the horse's body. So the left side of the horse would be closest to you, so that means it's going to the left. You would give it, there'd be enough slack in between, so you have to give the horse enough slack. And then you would send it forward, this way. So your feet would come towards the horse behind the drive line. Okay, the drive line's at the shoulder, so you'd ask it, come, go forward, like this. Pump, pump, pump. Then the next thing that's going to happen is we're going to have to change directions. Okay? When you change directions, you put your direction hand rope over top of the motivation hand. And then you take the motivation hand with the old direction hand. You see how your arms are crossing? We just crossed the ropes. The direction hand over top of the motivation hand. So let's practice that a few times. You can rest on your thumbs. And you just change, like you use your pinkies to grab and open up. It takes a while to get used to changing hands. But once we do it, we're going to be changing hands and then drawing up in time with the inside hind foot. So if you can get this pretty smooth now, then it won't be so fast when you're working with the horses.
Habt ihr das richtig, so wie sie über den Daumen?
You guys understand? Okay, so now the horse is going to be going the other direction. So we're going to point that way. I want it to go this way. Then I'd step behind the drive line and ask it to go. Because our horses aren't moving right now, it looks funny, but we have to get used to this.
Het ze verstaan.
So now everybody's
Dank
horse
je.
is going to the right. Okay? Then we would step towards the horse as the flank passes you by. And it's staying round on the circle. As the flank passes you by, then you're going to change hands. And you're going to draw up high towards the hip of the horse and step towards the hip of the horse in time with the inside hind foot stepping up and underneath his inside foot. Yeah? And that'll make the hind quarters go around. Then we're going to ask it to go the other way. And then it'll go the other way. So that's how you change hands, okay? That's how we change directions. Let's do it one more time. The horse is going around to the left. We're stepping forward and around towards the horse the whole time. Try not to cross your legs like this because it can pull you off balance. You guys aren't doing it now, but that happens to a lot of people. And the other thing that happens is people want to step backwards like this. It's forward and diagonal on the direction you're going in, and the other one is just in front of it. Forward in the direction you're going, and this one's just in front of it. And you're walking towards the horse's drive line to keep it yielding away from you. So we're going to send our horses to the left, forward and around, change hands as the flank passes us by. Draw up high towards the hindquarters. Stepping towards the hindquarters at the same time. Now it's going around the other way. Okay? Okay. Let's see about putting our halters on horses.
The donkey made an ugly noise.
You could stop the video for a second and then...
Is it